Good morning, everybody. Joe Ciaccio here. Happy Friday, everybody. Today we're going to chit chat about guaranteed issue. A lot of agents tell me they don't want to write guaranteed issue because the person dies in the first year or 2 years, they're going to get a charge back. And understand that. That's your choice. That's perfectly fine with me. Most of the carriers, you get paid as earned. So it's not as if you're really going to get hurt that bad if they quit paying. Yet if they do pass away, the possibility you will have a chargeback. Yet the only good thing about a guaranteed issue is that if you're writing the husband who's in perfect health and the wife's not in good health, it's kind of not rude, but it's kind of like, well, I can take care of you, sir, but I can't take care of you, ma'am. So these are decisions you got to make when you're there. So what I'm going to do is that I'm giving everybody tools and what they can use to write guaranteed issue, and from there it's your choice, your prerogative to do whatever you want. Now, today we're going to talk about a guaranteed issue carrier that goes from 18 all the way to 75, but primarily we're going to use it for the younger ages of 18 to 39. We've got carriers already from 40 all the way to 85. We got Great Western 40 to 80, Gerber 50 to 80, and we've got AIG 50 to 85. So this one here is going to kind of fit in the bottom portion. So when you go see a family who has a grandchild or a child that is not in good health, or they've been in jail or something's been wrong with them, you can write them something and walk out of the house. The nice thing about it is that you're controlling the house. Because here's what's going to happen if you don't write guaranteed issue. Somebody's going to come behind you, offer the guaranteed issue product to that client, and the application you wrote, you made whatever commission you made, possibility of it being flipped because the new agent is saying it's a gamble, got no idea what God's mission is for you when you're going to pass away. Write the guaranteed issue, flip your business, and now you're suicidal. So with this program here, the one from 1830 to 39, I'm going to go over with you what it is. Everybody can be written. There's not no health questions. No health question at all. So it doesn't really matter what the person's ailment is. Now, let me kind of go over here. Issue age is 18 to 75. Is priced 18 to probably 50. 18 to 39 is primarily the average area you want to be in. There's no chargebacks. You get paid as earned. So if somebody keeps it 3 or 4 months, you get no chargebacks at all. You get paid as earned. Your commissions are level. The program is set. It's in a tier program, and the tiers are 18 to 34, 35 to 44, etc. So when you're in a tier, you get paid that particular commission. So when the client goes from 34 to 35 and the premium goes up, you make more dollars in commission. Your commission stays the same, yet you make more dollars. Now, there's no Social Security card needed for this. No green card needed. It's unisex pricing, which means male and females get the same price. Smokers, non-smokers get the same price. When the client comes in, let's say they come in at age 33 and the age band jump is 34, carrier says, Joe, we're going to keep that client locked in at that price of original application date and age for 5 years. When you look at the little schedule, you're going to see what I'm saying. The only way to pay for this program as a client is by a credit card or debit card. No checking account, no savings account. It's got to be a credit card or debit card. Why? Just the way the program is designed. Spoke to the gentleman that owns the company, runs the company. He said, Joe, this is what's worked out best for us based on what the insurance company's desires are. How the program works, it's got a 2-year waiting period, yet year 1 is return of premium plus 20%. So if they got a program, let's say the premiums are $100 a month, just make an easy number. Whatever that number is that they paid in, they get 20% of that money back, plus the premiums you paid in. Also, in year 2, they get a policy for $20,000, and they pass away within the 2nd year, they're going to get back $4,000. So 20% of the face amount, year 2. Year 3, full face amount. So something happens year 3, full face amount. If something happens to them accidentally, day 1, they get the full face amount. The face amounts are 5 different face amounts you can choose from. 10, 20, 30, 40, or 50,000. There's no 7,500, there's no 15,000. There's only 5 choices that they give you. This application can be done online or by paper, whichever way you want. Okay? Draft dates are on the 1st or the 15th. Period. 1st or 15th. When it's the credit card or the debit card. Now, the agents that are using this here are running into younger clients who have either AIDS or HIV. They've had cancer for less than 2 years at a young age. They've had heart issues less than 1 year. Congestive heart failure, COPD, we're seeing a lot more of. Insulin dependent folks that are really young onset. DUIs, emphysema, hepatitis, kidney dialysis, mentally handicapped, mentally challenged, a little bit slow, muscular dystrophy, somebody that's on a nitro pill at a young age, somebody's at a nursing home, happened to receive an organ transplant, they're a little bit overweight, not quite tall enough for their weight, they're on oxygen, paralyzed due to a little freak accident or a car accident, Parkinson's, any type of psychiatric problems, sickle cell anemia, or terminal illness. I believe I said oxygen already, and they're confined to a wheelchair. Okay? You can call the person by phone, do a phone call. You can do a paper app. You can do an e-app. Most states are what we call just in time, to where you can do the application, right, Jay? They can do the application and then fill it in and send it in.
Oh, do the contracting, you'll get this writing number same day.
Okay. Jay says you do the contracting today, you get your writing number this afternoon. They're very quick, very fast. They got a big back office because their business is growing. Now, to get back to guaranteed issue. Some agents like it, some agents don't like it. You're going to get paid as earned. To me, when I was out in the streets pounding, I like to get paid as earned, for the mere fact is that I knew if I was to have somebody quit paying, I'd have nothing to sit and worry about having a debt to pay back because I had 9 months advance to me. The sweet thing about it is that if you're in a state where people that you're visiting have no Social Security, they've got no green cards, they're here but they're not totally 100% legal, you can still sell them this product here. Got to have a credit card or a debit card. They can have a family member make the payment for them. So it does not have to be them making the payment. So it's an opportunity for you to make money. It's another opportunity for when you're in a house to control the house, as I am a strong proponent on it. Let them know what you do. You do life insurance, health insurance, Medicare, Medicare Advantage. Get to know a gentleman or a lady who does auto insurance, home insurance, somebody who does other types of insurance that you do not do, to where you can refer them to that person with the understanding that person is not going to take your business. I got friends of mine who do individual health insurance because I don't have time to do it anymore. I got a friend of mine who does all of my homeowners and my car insurance. I refer everything to him. And what he does is that he takes care of the client. It makes the client feel special. And what it does is that the client has more trust in me and has actually received me more referrals because I was very pleasant and polite to the client until I've got somebody that I work with who will be more happy to take care of them. So get to know people like that there. Spoke about this yesterday. Get to know somebody in the funeral business. Go visit a couple of people that are in the funeral home business. Maybe talk to some friends here who may know somebody. go pick up some cards, so when you are visiting with a client and they're heeing and hawing, well, I don't know what funeral home to go to, you can merely say, well, why don't you go see my friend Stacy? She works at this funeral home. She's a personal friend of mine. Sad to say, when this day comes, hopefully I'm still here, I'll be able to help you out and walk you through that process. So get with Jay to get contracted with this here. You get the contracting done today, all online. You get approved today. You can go out and start writing it this afternoon or tomorrow. So with that said, make it a great day. Appreciate your hard work. Guaranteed issue primarily between the ages of 18 to 39. Credit cards only. Credit card and debit cards only.
Prepaid.
No checking account, no savings account, or you can use a prepaid card. So with that said, guys, make it a great day. Have a great weekend. Appreciate your business. We're here for you. Give Jay a call. Bye-bye.